How to set up daily backups in your Hostinger website. So by default, Hostinger backs up your website weekly and you can set it up to daily backups. But this is only available from specific pro plan. So go to your hpanel.hostinger.com and from the home section you can choose the website where you want to set daily backups. So for example, this one, and I'm gonna go to dashboard. On this first page you can see backups. As you can see, it's set to weekly backups. If you don't have this section here, you can go to files and here go to backups. And here is the issue. Daily backups are available only from Business Pro plan. So I got available only automated backups weekly. If I want, for example, daily backups, I have to upgrade my plan. So here is upgrade and I got only premium web hosting, and this is all available things which I have. And as you can see, weekly backups. If I upgrade my plan, here is available daily and on-demand backups. If you already have this plan, you can simply set daily backups without upgrading to business web hosting, and it should be available here. You can also check here your backups. If you go to restore and download section, website backup, and there gonna be daily backup available. If you want 20% off from this price, down below in the comment section you have link, and if you go through this link you have 20% off. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.